In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Chivalry 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly 1v1 your friends in Chivalry 2. Now, the difficulty in doing this comes from the fact that, unfortunately, Chivalry 2 does not offer a dedicated 1v1 mode. So as of today, there are workarounds that the community follows if they want to do 1v1 with friends or with random people. So for you to find the option to do a 1v1, you will have to join a custom duo server. So all that you have to do is hit play from the main menu and go over to standalone servers. In there, you will be able to find a bunch of servers established by people around the world, and what you have to do is look for servers in your region titled duos. So usually this is going to say something along the lines of duos, 1v1 only, flourish at opponent to initiate, or something like that. So look for a specific server where you and your friend will have okay ping, and as long as both of you join the same server, then you will be able to 1v1 in there. They are essentially an open dueling server. It probably says free for all, but usually you don't have to worry as long as you duel each other or you join a private server where you don't see anyone else there, either an empty or private server. As long as you filter all of the servers, you choose one with a good connection, good ping, and you join together with the same ID, you will be able to find each other, follow the instructions on that specific server to 1v1, and you will be good to go. Besides these options of joining a standalone server, you will not be able to do 1v1 because, like I said, for whatever reason, Chivalry does not offer a 1v1 dedicated mode. So just join one of these custom servers together with your friend to 1v1. Besides this, you can try doing it in a standard match, but it is going to be much more difficult because you will have to agree on a specific time and place to meet, while all the other players will be together doing something else. If this video helped you on how to 1v1 in Chivalry 2 with friends, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.